Pulling up anchor for the last time, we hope, in Panama. Amador Causeway. Sorry, I've only got the GoPro this morning. All my other batteries lost their charge. They're not supposed to lose a charge, but they did. Goodbye, Panama. And there in the sunrise is Taku, just ahead of us pulling up anchor. And there's City of Vancouver with a brand new monster sailboat in the foreground. Goodbye, Panama. We will be back if the French embassy will give us our long-term visas for French Polynesia. Goodbye, Sarah and Bob from SV Rhapsody. We'll see you in 3 or 4 months on the other side of the Pacific. Andrew's preparing to put up the parasailer. We don't have enough wind for any other sail. It looks like Taku is putting up their downwind sail. Sure not much wind though. There's our wind and our wind angle. Not enough to keep the mainsail up, so no mainsail right now. Not enough to keep the boom from smashing around. And they're all up with their sail. Twisted all the way around the lines there. You got a striped one twisted up top there. Stuck behind it. What's that? That's not, shouldn't be there. You can't get that undone. Pardon? Oh, look how it's collapsing into the water. And she's up. Dolphins are just hanging beside us all the way from Panama so far. Oh my gosh, we got a whole bunch more coming. Oh my gosh. He's looking at us. Oh, here comes some new ones. Hi, sweeties. Oh, that's a baby and mama. Finally arrived in Pedro Gonzales for a few days. I'm going to clean the bottom of the hulls. But for now, I am going to go jump in off the bow. Let's go. Here we go! That was fun. Coming in?
All my clothes.
Oh yeah, he smells. Okay. He's gonna dive the anchor.
Can't put soda on that.
Want a view of our under our boat? Ooh, look at that. It's like we're going through a tunnel. The water's really clear. And here we go out into the light. And then there's the trampoline. I'm seeing what the dolphins see now. Hey Andrew, what do you have there?
I have the inside of the washing machine.
What happened?
We've been having some problems with the washer the last couple of weeks, so I decided to take it apart. This is what I found out. This plastic thing is what contains the water in the washing machine. Your clothes go in here. See how that moves? There's a bearing shot in there, and because it was leaning so far forward, it cut the whole water jacket. This is where the water stays in. I've concluded that we need a new washing machine. The bearing is gone. There's one bearing gone in the drum, and I can't get the water jacket apart, so I think we're getting a new machine. You can come and see the ordeal it was to take this machine apart and get it out of the hole. The drum had to come out of the top of the machine. To get the drum out, I had to take it out of this hole, and it was really tough to do. I got Bob from Taku to help me. The next hard part is to get this out of the bedroom or laundry room and out onto the back so we can dispose of it.
And if you look at me now, you can see why I did not film the taking apart of the washing machine. I have calamine lotion all over my face. I can laugh now, but it's pretty painful. I went swimming and I got stung like crazy. My face is like it has measles all over it. It's swollen, it's numb, my lips are swollen. I've got stings all over my body. They were even stinging me through my jellyfish suit. So obviously I'm very sensitive to it because we went out with Andrew and Etta and Bob and they were getting a little bit of stings, but they did not react like this. I have bumps and rashes all over my body, and I had to go wash myself down in a vinegar solution when I came back, and I had to swim back quite far. I'll show you where I was when it happened. I was on the other side of that island over there, and that's when I started getting, my lips started swelling and I was having trouble breathing, so I had to swim all the way back, and we're probably looking at 500 meters at least. On my way back I was getting stung too, so I eventually had to go turn on my back and just kick on my back. I had to take some allergy medicine and it kind of knocked me out. I was feeling very ill yesterday. The sting is gone, vinegar helped, but and the calamine's helping with the itch because today it's, well, started getting itchy after the vinegar took the sting out. The calamine is taking the itch away, and it's not very pleasant. I couldn't believe they were stinging me. It was like I was being attacked by a swarm of wasps constantly. It was very, very painful. There was strings in the water of these red things, and I think that's what was biting me. Somebody told me what those strings were, and somebody that's a local here yesterday said what they were. They said the turtles eat them, so that's a good thing. We need more turtles here. It was the reason I bought this jellyfish suit in the first place, because this was happening to me in March and April of this year here in the Perla Islands too. So I'm not going in the water anymore right now. I ran out of allergy medicines, forgot to stock it because we're heading to Costa Rica, not tomorrow but the next day because the wind's good. So I don't want to go in the water. Still have very numb face.